Okay, there are many ways to make a great contribution in trading and receive great rewards. This video will show you how and hopefully inspire many talented individuals watching to make great contribution in lots of different ways to trading and receive great value from doing so. I'm Mike Bellafiore, and we're one of the top proprietary trading firms located in New York City since 2005, and very proud to develop numerous 7 and even 8-figure per year traders. Watch, take notes, and learn from the success stories on our proprietary trading desk so you can grow your trading account. You're meant to do something great. At SME Capital, a prop trading desk in New York City and Miami, we're proud to develop numerous 7 and even 8-figure per year traders. Yes, become your best trader with impressive P&L. But there are many other ways to be great as a trader at a proprietary trading firm or elsewhere. Being great at any of these can produce a sustainable, rewarding, profitable career as a trader. What can you be great at as a trader? Be the best coder. Be the best at call-outs. Be the best at idea generation. Be the best game planner. Be the best leader. Be the best scalper. Be the best joint account contributor. Be the best short trader. Be the best teacher. Be the best large cap trader. Be the best options trader. Be the best collaborator. Be the best back tester. Be the best researcher. Be the developing trader with the best attitude. Be the best crypto trader, and on and on and on. Now, this idea, you are meant to do something great, was inspired by a talk that happened inside the halls of SMB Capital. Our great trading coach, Dr. Brett Steenbarger, the very best trading coach in the US, was sitting in our conference room. I was there, our floor manager was there, head of trader development was there, a senior trader, a star senior trader was there holding his team's monthly review. The other traders on his team were in the room. And one of the traders was sheepishly describing a month of underperformance. The trader wasn't feeling so great about this month and explaining why he underperformed, not in the best of moods. And Dr. Steenbarger took this all in, and the trader stopped talking, and Dr. Steenbarger looked around the room, and he grabbed the attention of everybody in the room, looking them squarely in the eyes. And he paused, and he was quiet, and everybody was focused on him. And he put his fists together in response to this trader who had just announced his underperformance, and a developing trader that clearly had talent. He put his fists together and he looked at all of us and he said, "You are meant to do something great." And what he meant by that was, good is not good enough. Coming to this monthly review, underperforming wasn't good enough. You're meant to do something great. And that idea inspires a mural that hangs in the walls of SMB that everybody sees every time they go to grab something to eat. And it's inspired me to take that idea and expand upon it. And it's inspired something important to our culture here at SMB, which is you are meant to do something great, but it doesn't only have to be as a discretionary trader. It doesn't only have to come from your personal trading account. You can be great in so many other ways. You can contribute to the desk and to this firm in so many other ways. And you, listening at home, can contribute to trading in so many different ways other than your personal trading account. You can forge reward for yourself in many different ways. And I don't think a lot of people talk about this. One of the things that we do here is help you by shining a spotlight on our successes here at the firm so that it gives you ideas as how you can gain rewards in the world of trading. Let's get back to and on and on and on, all of those different ways that you can become great. So let's say you're not a consistently profitable active trader in your personal account, but you're the best, you're great at idea generation. This gives you the opportunity to team with a senior trader, feed him your ideas, trade them together in a joint account, split the profits, and produce consistent income for you. One junior trader recently received huge props from a star senior trader on our desk for calling out a breakout trade. The senior trader made a bundle. Now that junior trader is invited to the call of that senior trader and his team. Now that junior trader has received the best call outs from that senior trader. What a difference this can make in the career of a young developing trader. Let's say you're great at being a consistent scalper, but not making 7 figures a year. You might share this strategy with a senior trader who will teach you how to supercharge these results and also share one of their strategies in return. Now you're making much more and have more strategies to deploy. And I think about 2 junior traders on our desk who shared their scalping strategy with the senior trader at SMB. The senior trader had been working to improve their scalping, or as he says, price action trading. The senior trader learned their trading strategy and started making real money with it that was created by these junior traders. In return, the senior trader helped the junior traders structure their business to make more in these scalping strategies from his expertise. Now, everyone was making more. Now, these young traders significantly increased their P&L and supercharged their trading improvement. Okay, let's say you can't trade a lick yet, but you're a great coder. Some interns and new traders have been hired at our firm where we clearly say to each other, management, those that hire people, clearly sit around rooms and say to each other, yeah, we're never going to let him push the buttons. We're never going to let him make their own trades, but he can contribute, they can contribute, she can contribute mightily to the firm. But we're never going to let them push the buttons. We see their other great talents and great ways that they can contribute that are different than placing their own trades. This gives you the opportunity to team with another trader, build technology for them, and share in the profits. For example, perhaps you can build a model together from the edge of the other trader. Let's say you're a mediocre trader, but a great backtester. This gives you the opportunity to team with other traders, share potential trading edges, and build a winning model together. Every team is looking for a great backtester who can help generate more trading ideas. It's like every football team is looking for players who can run. Our baseball teams are looking for pitchers who can throw hard. Our basketball teams are always looking for players who can shoot. You can forge a role, an important role, by being a great backtester. Okay, let's say you couldn't push the buttons for a profit to save your life yet, but you're a great researcher. You can find the next great trading opportunity. You love to read about markets and stocks and can synthesize information such that you can spot trends, new trends, and good trades. Again, this gives you the opportunity to team up with a better trader who can take your ideas, print money, and share in these profits with you. Senior traders are always looking for more good ideas. How do you think you'll be received by that senior trader who you gave a good idea to, who you're handing him good trades to, and that he makes bank in? How do you think that senior trader is going to respond to you? I can tell you that senior trader is going to take care of you and make sure your spot at the firm is secure. Okay, let's say you're a great leader. You notice talented traders need better organization and processes to make even more. This gives you the opportunity to step in and show them how they can improve their results. They're going to open up joint accounts with you on strategies that you are organizing the team to trade better. And I'm thinking of one special person at SMB who is a great leader. His team without him is mediocre. His team with him is elite. He makes the team hum. He elevates that team to the next few levels. And it's all because of his great leadership skills. He's not making trades or even necessarily generating a majority of the ideas. He's just making sure the team's process is solid and the information flow is constructive and the trades taken are within their system. This is so important to performance. We all bring something special to our trading, or we can bring something special to our trading. We just have to think about what and how. Tap into what makes you special. And as our great trading coach, Dr. Steenbarger, says, you're meant to do something great.
So you're an active trader, not doing as well as you want, not doing as well as you deserve, and you just can't figure out why you can't become profitable no matter how hard you try. Well, let me show you why. This is your competition. The traders in this room. This room right here is full of elite traders, some of whom are making 7 and even 8 figures a year. In fact, our top guys have made nearly 20 million each in net trading profits in a single year. Let's head to my office so I can share more. So you're probably used to seeing videos of lavish trader lifestyles, trading gurus trading off of a laptop for an hour a day, heck, maybe even 15 minutes a day, and then them relaxing on some secluded beach for the rest of the day. Well, all I can tell you is that our traders train like pro athletes. They live and breathe the markets and are continually working on their trading skills. Because at our firm, that's what we found it really takes to make it in this game. I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder and managing partner of SMB Capital, one of the world's top proprietary trading firms located in Midtown Manhattan. And we're always looking for trading talent to hire and develop. And not just to trade in-house on our desk, but also to trade from their own home, entirely using our firm's capital. And we have numerous traders doing just that, allowing them to make upwards of 7 figures trading the firm's capital without risking their own money. But to even get a shot at something like that, you need to have the right training.
That's why we're doing a new free online presentation in which we share how you can get an interview with SMB to become an in-house or remote trader, trading firm capital without risking yours and gaining access to all of our firm's coaching and resources. And the best part, you don't have to be a profitable trader yet. In fact, we prefer to mold profitable traders with our methods and our techniques. That's why we have just 3 simple criteria that can earn anyone an interview. We're looking for highly ambitious and determined traders who fit our culture first and foremost. So if you believe that could be you, sign up for the free 1-hour online presentation by clicking the link that's in your top right corner of your screen now.